Ito ang 106.3 Dance Radio. Dance Radio.
Prepare yourself.
Ang silid-aralan sa radyo, hatid namin ay makabagong paraan ng pagtuturo at kalaman. Mapaumaga, tanghali o hapon man yan, ang istasyong magbibigay impormasyon kahit saan man.
Alright, here we go.
106.3 Dance Radio. Doña Aurora National High School, Santa Rita, Aurora, Isabela.
This
106.3 DWDR-FM. Pre-calculus, advanced algebra, intermediate algebra, trigonometry, elementary algebra, geometry. Mga araling dapat tuklasin. Mathematics Learning Area. Mathematics kahit saan, kahit kailan. Mathematics, maaasahan inyong tututukan dito sa 106.3 DWDR-FM. Basta Dance Radio, learning is amazing!
Good day, everyone! It's Monday! Kumusta po kayong lahat? Okay, sana po ay nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan sa panahong ito. It's 33 days before Christmas, o diba? Magandang araw po sa ating lahat, lalo na sa ating mga mag-aaral na nakatutok ngayon. Hello, Grade 7! O diba? Unang linggo ng ating aralin. Panibagong kaalaman ang hatid namin. Kaya't sana'y umpisahan at ating tapusin at lalo pang pag-ibayuhin ang ating gawain. Welcome to Math Alive sa Facebook Live. O diba? Ito ang una, kaya dapat pataasan ng ano dito, diba? Yes! It's November 22, 2021. RBI live streaming po ito ng Shift 1, Quarter 2 ng Mathematics 7. Patuloy po na inaanyayahan po namin lahat ng mga grade level, grade 8, grade 9, and grade 10. Kung kayo ay medyo chill dyan, pwede naman kayong manood at manalo rin ng limpak-limpak na premyo. Ang live streaming pong ito ay para sa ating mga mag-aaral upang kami ay makapagbigay sa inyo ng pamamaraan na maabot namin at maipaliwanag ang inyong mga aralin kahit hindi tayo nagkikita-kita. Kaya naman, paki-comment naman dyan, #Math7 Week 1. Again, di ba? Parang nagre-record. #Math7 Week 1. Okay,
Yan.
para ma-check natin kung sila talaga ay nakikinig or nagsusulat lang or nagsisend lang ng mga kung ano-anong message dyan. Okay, so tayo nga po ay nasa week 1. Unang-una ito, so sana tapusin nyo mga anak, ano? Binabati po natin lahat ng nanonood at nakikinig sa ating station. Shoutout po sa lahat ng parents na nanonood, lalo na, syempre, hindi ko makakalimutan ng aking Mudra Bells. Hello, Nanay Lena! Aking Elijah and Trevor, and then of course, to my bebe. O, di ba? May pag-ganon lagi. Sa ating mga kasamahan sa Math Learning Area. Hello po, mga kasipnayan na nasa bahay at nasa school na rin, ano? Magandang araw po kay Sir Sunny, magpalakas ka. Hello din kay Ma'am Cora, Ma'am Delma, Ma'am Marife, Ma'am Marlene, Ma'am Marley, and Ma'am Naida. And of course, sa ating grade 7 students na nakikinig, hello 7 Kultura and 7 Sining, 8 SPJ and 8 SPA. Good morning sa lahat ng grade 7. Okay. Medyo nasanay ako sa umaga. Magandang hapon na pala talaga. Nakalimutan ko. Pasensya na. Okay. Yours truly is Ma'am Rowella S. Santos and my partner is Ma'am Jen.
Ayan! Hello! Welcome po sa Math Alive sa Facebook Live. Ayan, dapat alive na alive, partner. Isang napakagandang tanghali sa lahat ng nakikinig at nanonood sa atin dyan. Naririto na naman po kami upang magbigay kaalaman sa ating mga minamahal na estudyante. Kaya naman, mula sa inyong co-host for today, Teacher Jenny, salubungin natin ang quarter 2 ng isang mainit na pagbati sa mga estudyante kong grade 7 Lapu-Lapu at 7 Jacinto. Kumusta kayo ngayon mga anak? Ayan, init no? Special mention sa aking advisee, ang 7 Del Pilar. Hello sa inyong lahat mga anak. Patuloy lang na makinig sa mga RBI lessons at manood sa mga live streaming natin upang madagdagan ang inyong kaalaman. Yes. So sa lahat ng mga nag-aabang at umaantabay sa ating broadcast, saan mang sulok ng mundo, hello po sa inyong lahat. Siyempre, hindi natin makakalimutang batiin at pasalamatan si Ma'am Larna Tan Nevado.
Thank you po.
Hello po ma'am and salamat po sa pag-sponsor ng ating mga premyo. At siyempre sa laging pagtutok, nandyan siya palagi tuwing may live tayo. And, syempre ma'am, God bless you. Okay, so sa araw na ito, partner, magkakaroon na naman tayo ng isa pang live streaming mula sa ating math learning area. Okay, ayan. So, wag na nating patagalin. Para samahan tayo ngayon, ipakilala na natin ang ating magagandang learning facilitators ng grade 7 math.
Okay, makakasama po natin ang ating learning facilitators, Teacher Janice Bills A. Simon, Teacher Mardy C. De La Cruz, and of course, nakasuporta din sa ating side ang ating electronic raffle organizer. Ang hirap talaga mamili. No? Sila ang namimili ng mga correct answers. Teacher Judith S. Gamilo, Teacher Mylene J. Ralutin, and of course, our PowerPoint presenter, Teacher Lori Lee Vinitura. Hello, Ma'am Lai!
Hello, Ma'am Lai!
Yes! Shout out din sa ating supportive head teacher, Ma'am Merlinda D. Dante. Nandito na po kami, Mami!
Hello, Mami!
Yes, and to our assistant principal, Ma'am Ruby R. Guillermo, and to our Chief Education Supervisor of the Division of Isabela, Sir Rodrigo V. Pascual.
Yan. Hello, ma'am. Hello, sir.
Yes. So mga anak, please comment your name and section and title of our lesson para naman na maipakita nyo sa inyong mga subject teachers na kayo po ay nakikinig ngayon. Di ba? Okay, ang title natin ngayon is measurement. So, paki-screenshot yan ha, isi-send. At bago tayo mag-proceed sa ating RBI lesson, ibibigay ko na ang aking tanong para sa ating hula mo, load mo. O, diba, bago kami mag-break para sa ating RBI lesson, mag-send na kayo ng inyong mga entries. Ano kaya ang ihuhula nyo? Ayoko muna magbigay ng clue, gagaling nila. Okay, pakisend ang tamang template name, section, hula, and your cellphone number.
Ayan.
At mamaya, kahit hanggang sa uli, kung di nyo nahulaan, i-reveal natin.
Ano kaya, partner, kung ano?
Oo.
Kung habang wala pang clue,
Yes.
magbigay na sila ng sagot. At
Oo,
pag
pwede
may
na sila
nakakuha ng
magbigay.
tamang sagot,
Correct.
50 peso load.
What? Gulat talaga. Sorry. Walang
clue, 50.
Okay.
Pero pag nagbigay na tayo ng clue, 30 na
Baba
lang.
ng value. Okay.
40,
Yes.
30, yan.
Start sending your entries now, mga anak, At ano bang susunod? Ibigay na ba natin RBI or...
Question muna.
question
Kaya?
na. Okay, sige. Dire-diretso na natin para pagbalik natin, raffle na lang. Okay, our lesson again is about measurement. Okay. Ano ba ang objective natin dyan, Ma'am
Ayan,
Loy?
syempre pa. Objective.
Okay,
Okay,
objective.
so partner. So, mga minamahal naming mga learners, eto na po ang ating first objective.
Ayan.
Okay, you should be
Ayan.
able to approximate the measures of quantities, particularly length, weight or mass, volume, time, angle, temperature, and rate.
Yes, and of
Ayan.
course, ang ikalawa, ito yung magandang part, may explain sa inyo ng magaling nating mga facilitators. Convert the measurements from one unit to another in both metric and English system. Abangan nyo yan. Salamat po sa 104 viewers! Woohoo! Kakagana naman.
Dami.
Okay, magbabalik po kami mamaya mga anak, Pwede na kayong mag-send. Ibigay na ba ang question 1? Okay, wag
Mamaya
muna.
na lang, partner.
Magbabalik kami pagkalipas
Para
lang ng
pag-uwi.
ilang minuto. Sana makinig kayo sa ating
Yes.
RBI lesson. Eto na po. See you again then. Ay, sorry.
Wala nang makakapigil pa. Sulong Arangkada 106.3 Dance Radio sa Aurora, Isabela.
Edukasyo'y susulong, basta't magtulong-tulong, sulong edukalidad. Dance Radio, learning is amazing.
Precalculus,
Advanced Algebra,
Intermediate Algebra, Trigonometry,
Elementary Algebra,
Geometry, mga aralin na dapat tuklasin.
Mathematics Learning Area,
Mathematics, kahit saan, kahit kailan.
Mathematics Maaasahan,
Inyong tututukan dito sa
106.3
Dance Radio.
Learning is amazing! Good day, everyone! I am glad to be with you today. I hope that you will enjoy our interesting topic. Please get your writing materials, learning activity sheets, pen, and a separate sheet of paper so we can start our lesson in Mathematics 7. Are you ready, dear learners?
Yes, ma'am!
Can you still remember your lessons last quarter? Can you name some?
Yes, Mom. It's about sets, scientific notations, rational and irrational numbers.
Wow! You said it all! Thank you, my dear learner! This quarter, we are going to have new sets of lessons. And I hope all are set and you are now ready to listen and learn from our lesson for today that is about measurement, particularly on units of measurement. In this episode, you will learn the most commonly used units of measurement and identify units of measurement of quantities, particularly the length, weight, volume, time, and temperature. We have ways of counting all kinds of things. If things are divided into units like Calamansi, our festival here in Aurora, Calamansi Festival, we can just count the items. However, some things aren't divided neatly into units, like liquids, weight, and lengths of objects. For these kinds of things, we have different measuring systems and units. Do you cook at home, dear learners?
Yes, ma'am. I cook rice, ma'am.
Okay. How do you cook rice? How much water do you need?
Ma'am, after washing, I measure the height of the rice using my middle finger, and it is the amount of water needed.
Wow! That's also the way I measure the water of rice I cook.
We do the same, ma'am!
It's good to know that we have the same technique in cooking rice. When you get sick, how does your mother check if you have a high fever, dear learners?
Mom, my mother uses a thermometer to measure my temperature. If it is more than 37 degrees, I have already a fever, and she let me take 250 milligrams of paracetamol, ma'am.
All right. You will have more of this as we go on with our lesson today about measurement. There are two ways to measure a certain object. The first one is Imperial System and the other one is metric system. Did you know that the Egyptians used body parts to measure objects and remain for many years? Yes, and they call it Imperial System. Have you experienced using your body parts in measuring things? Who can give example?
My palms, ma'am. I use them to scoop water to fill in a glass.
That is right. Any more?
My arms, ma'am. I use them to maintain an arm length distance from my friend, ma'am.
That's nice to hear. Any more?
Ma'am, when I bought pants, holding the waistline of the pants, I wrapped it around my neck, and if both ends meet, then the pants fit me.
Wow! A very unique technique. You are all good, dear learners. You call these measurements Imperial System. The other one is the metric system, which is used by many countries around the world. Can you give some of the units that are used in measuring liquid, weight or mass, and length? What unit measure is used when you buy gasoline?
Liter, ma'am.
Very good. It's liter. What about the unit measure used in finding the length of your room?
Meter, ma'am.
Precisely. We use meter in measuring the length or width or distance like your room. What about the unit measure to find the distance between Aurora and San Manuel?
Kilometer, ma'am.
You are correct. In measuring long distances, we use kilometer. This time, let us discuss the different units of measurement. I'll give you the quantity and try to give me the correct SI units. SI means International System of Units, which are based on the metric system of measurements. Let's enumerate them once again. On page 1 of your learning activity sheets, we have the most commonly used units of measurement. What is the unit measure for speed?
Ma'am, kilometer per hour is the unit measure for speed.
Yes, that is correct. It's kilometer per hour. How about temperature?
Ma'am, the unit measure of temperature is degrees Celsius.
You are right. Degrees Celsius is the unit measure of temperature. Degrees Celsius is one of the units used in measuring temperature. But when we talk about the basic unit for the SI unit, the basic unit of temperature is Kelvin. What about the unit measure of liquid?
Ma'am, the unit measure of liquid is liter.
Yes, that is right. The unit measure of liquid is liter. What about the unit measure of weight?
Ma'am, the unit measures of weight are kilogram and gram.
That is correct. The unit measures of weight are kilogram and gram. What about the unit measure of distance?
Ma'am, the unit measures of distance are centimeter, meter, and kilometer.
Very good. The unit measures of distance are centimeter, meter, and kilometer. Any questions, dear learners? None, ma'am. Okay. If you don't have questions, we shall have more of our lesson after this short break.
Naku, malapit na ang pasahan ng outputs.
Retrieval time na naman. Narito ang mga dapat mong tandaan sa pagpasa ng outputs mo, Kadonyan.
Tiyaking nakasulat ang iyong pangalan sa bawat subject na iyong ipapasa.
Oops, huwag ding kalimutang isulat ang iyong seksyon kung saan ka kabilang.
Mahalagang lagyan din ng label na Week 1
Week 2, 3 o 4 ang iyong outputs kung anong aralin.
at bilang nito upang malaman ng guro kung kumpleto ang iyong ipinasang outputs sa bawat linggo. Kadonyan!
Kung maaari, isulat din ang pangalan ng iyong guro sa bawat subject.
Kung may color coding, sundin ito upang madaling malaman ng iyong advisor at maibigay sa tamang guro.
Paghiwalayin ang mga sagutang papel sa bawat subject.
Huwag paghaluin ang iyong mga sagot sa dalawang subject sa iisang papel.
Kung masusunod mo ang mga ito, tiyak ang mga guro ay hindi malilito.
Sa pagpasa ng mga outputs, outputs tiyaking maayos at organisado.
Ayusin ang output batay sa mga sumusunod na bawat aralin.
Una, sagot ng mga gawain. Pangalawa, refleksyon.
Pangatlo, lingguhang pagtataya.
At pang-apat, summative test kung mayroon.
Isang paalala mula sa pamunuan ng Tonya Aurora National High School at ng istasyong ito.
We're back! Previously, we already discussed the basic unit in measuring the speed, temperature, liquid, weight, and distance. Now, the next quantity is time. What is the basic unit of measure of time? How do we measure time?
Second, Mom.
Minute, Ma'am.
Or Mom.
Which one? Second, minute, or hour? The unit measure of time is second. Congratulations, dear learners! It's second. Are there how many seconds in a minute, dear learners?
60 seconds, Mom.
That is right. There are 60 seconds in 1 minute. How many minutes are there in 1 hour?
60 minutes, Ma'am.
You are correct, dear learner. 1 hour is 60 minutes. How many hours in a day?
24 hours, Ma'am.
You are absolutely correct. There are 24 hours in a day. Knowing the basic units of the different quantities, let's have a game titled, Give It To Me, Baby, Aha, Aha. You are to identify the correct unit of the given quantity or situation. Number 1. Capacity or volume. Again, capacity or volume. Ready? Go, go, go!
Liter, Mom.
You are correct. Capacity or volume is measured by liter. Number 2. Length or distance. How do we measure length or distance? Ready? Go, go, go!
Meter or kilometer, Ma'am.
Very good. It's meter or kilometer. Number 3. Weight or mass. What is the unit measure used in finding the weight or mass? Ready? Go, go, go!
Kilogram or gram, Ma'am.
That's true. We use kilogram or gram in measuring weight or mass. Number 4. Time. What is the unit measure of time? Ready? Go, go, go!
Second, Mom.
You got it right. It's second. Number 5. Temperature. What is the basic unit measure of temperature? Ready? Go, go, go!
Kelvin, Ma'am.
Yes, it's Kelvin. Wow! Fantastic! All your answers are correct. Let us pause for a moment before we have the summary of today's lesson.
Facts about COVID-19. What is COVID-19? COVID-19 is a disease caused by a new strain of coronavirus. What are symptoms of COVID-19? Symptoms can include fever, cough, and shortness of breath. In more severe cases, infection can cause pneumonia or breathing difficulties. How can we prevent COVID-19? To prevent the spread of COVID-19, clean your hand often. Maintain a safe distance. Wear masks when physical distancing is not possible. Don't touch your eyes, nose, or mouth. Cover your nose and mouth with your bent elbow or a tissue when you cough or sneeze. Stay home when you feel unwell, and if you have a fever, cough, and difficulty breathing, seek medical attention.
This health advisory is brought to you by World Health Organization, Doña Aurora National High School, and this station.
We're back! To summarize what we have done, who can tell us the things you have learned from today's lesson?
Mom, I have known that Egyptians for a very long time used body parts to measure objects and remained for many years, and we called it Imperial System.
Very good! What else?
Ma'am, it is about metric system, which is commonly used by many countries around the world.
Yes, that is correct. What are the different SI units of measurement?
Liter, meter, kilogram, second, and Kelvin, ma'am.
You are amazing, dear learners. You enumerated the metric-based system international units used to standardize the calculation of scientific quantities correctly. When we talk about the metric-based units, the base unit of length is meter, the base unit of mass is gram, and the base unit of volume is liter. These base units are used in converting metric units of measurement. At this moment, I know you are ready for simple challenges by doing the different activities found in your learning activity sheets. I know you can do it since you listened very well to our lesson. Turn your learning activity sheets on page 3. Exercise 2. Let's do more. You are going to determine the measurements of the given objects. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Refer your answers to the given illustrations. Number 1. How long is the pencil in centimeter? Ready? Go, go, go!
"11 centimeters, ma'am."
You are correct. It's 11 centimeters. Number 2. What is the length of the key in centimeter? Ready? Go, go, go!
Six centimeters, ma'am.
Exactly! The key is 6 centimeters. Use the next illustrations for your answers. You are going to determine the weight of the fruits on the weighing scale. How heavy is the pineapple? Ready? Go, go, go!
Ma'am, 650 grams.
You are correct. The weight of the pineapple is 650 grams. How about the weight of 2 mangoes? Ready? Go, go, go!
"200 grams, ma'am."
You got it right. It's 200 grams. On page 5, you are going to identify the temperature as shown in the illustration. Number 2. What is the temperature in degrees Celsius in figure 2? Ready? Go, go, go!
Mom, it's 0 degrees Celsius.
Yes, that is right. It's 0 degrees Celsius, and it is the freezing point of water. Congratulations, dear learners! You are all amazing today! You may continue answering the different activities on your learning activity sheets at your most convenient time after this episode. If you have questions regarding the different activities, you may call your teacher in Mathematics 7 and they are happy to help you.
Yes, ma'am!
Marvelous! In our daily lives, how important are your learnings about measurements? Is it important to know the different ways to measure things? How?
Measurements play an important role in our daily lives. They are useful to do basic tasks such as taking temperature before entering any public or private establishment like school, municipal hall, Primark, banks, and others.
Very good! What else?
They are useful in measuring ingredients for cooking, baking, or even when taking medicines, estimating time for an activity, and measuring height.
You are all amazing, dear learners! Wow! We're done! As we end our session today, I would like to acknowledge the teachers behind this RBI lesson. Our script writer, yours truly, Teacher Rowella S. Santos. Our technical specialists, Teacher Rufino R. Pumeda Jr. and Teacher Mardy C. De La Cruz. Our language editor, Teacher Jonah A. Buduan, and our content editor, Head Teacher 5 of Mathematics Learning Area, Ma'am Merlinda D. Dante. I am Teacher Rowella S. Santos, your radio teacher, leaving you this quote by Albert Einstein. Not everything that counts can be counted, and not everything that can be counted counts. Thank you very much and stay tuned for our live discussion about converting units of measurement following up next. Stay safe and goodbye!
Precalculus,
Advanced Algebra,
Intermediate Algebra, Trigonometry,
Elementary Algebra,
Geometry, mga aralin na dapat tuklasin.
Mathematics Learning Area,
Mathematics, kahit saan, kahit kailan.
Mathematics maaasahan.
Inyong tututukan dito sa
106.3
Dance Radio.
Learning is amazing! Dance Radio, siniparalan sa radyo, atid namin magkabago, paraan ng pagtuturo.
Wala nang makakapigil pa. Sulong Arangkada 106.3 Dance Radio sa Aurora, Isabela.
Edukasyo'y susulong, basta na magtulong-tulong, sulong edukalidad. Dance Radio, learning is amazing. Ayan, napakinggan po natin ang ating RBI lesson. Please comment #RBI. Okay, so bago po natin tawagin ang ating energetic facilitators, inaanyayahan ko kayong muli na sumali sa ating mga programa palaro para manalo ng 30 pesos worth of load. Tumataginting na 30 pesos ite. O, diba? Hindi mo na mapupulot yan. Please comment, name, section, question number 1, answer, and cellphone number sa ating ipapakitang unang tanong. O, diba? Habang naghihintay, magbibigay na tayo ng clue.
Ayan. Tanong muna natin si ma'am. Baka meron nang nakasagot.
Wala pa yata.
Mukhang wala pa. Hindi pa siya lumalapit sa atin.
So, bawas na ang ating
Ayan,
pondo
dahil
dito.
magbibigay na kami ng isang clue.
Oo.
Babawasan natin ang ating papremyo.
Okay.
Gagawin na lang natin
30 na.
30 na.
Okay, 30 pesos. Since wala. Okay, pwede na po ipakita ang question number 1 habang kami nagbibigay ng clue. Clue! ito ay meron sa lahat ng nagtatrabaho sa gobyerno. Ang hirap naman ang clue.
Kahit sa mga
Private man o
institutions,
hindi.
yan, meron sila niyan.
Madalas itong hinahanap eh. Okay. So, question number 1. Ano ba unang tanong dyan?
Ayan.
Ma'am Jen?
So, excited ng ating mga learners partner.
Sorry.
Kaya naman, ibigay na natin ang question number 1.
Yes.
Ito na siya. What is the proper arrangement of the prefixes of the units in the metric converter?
Ay, wala. Kailangan
Letter A.
makinig.
K, H, D, unit, C, D, M. Letter B, K, H, D. Ba't magkaiba kami, partner?
KDH.
KDH, unit, DCM. Letter C, KHD, unit, DMC. And letter D, KHD, unit, DCM.
Ayan. So,
Yan.
pakitingnan ng
I repeat.
inyong mga screen, mga anak, ano?
Ayan.
Makinig kayo kasi papakita mismo niya ang mga prefixes na yan para lang ma-check namin kung nakinig kayo sa discussion ng ating facilitator mamaya.
Yes.
Please
Ulitin
send your...
natin.
Oo, sige, ulitin yung choices.
Ulitin natin. Choices. KHD, unit, CDM. Yan ang ating letter A. Letter B, KBH, unit, DCM. Letter C, KHD, unit, DMC. And letter D, KHD, unit, DCM.
Okay, madaling-madali lang yan. Kaya't nakinig na and send your name, section, question number 1. And of course, answer. Huwag kalimutan ng question number 1. Ano, sa dami ng sagot para mas maging valid ang entry natin. And cellphone number, of course. Okay, so hindi na natin patatagalin. Tawagin na natin ang ating energetic learning facilitator para sa first part ng ating discussion, Teacher Janice Bills A. Simon.
Yan.
Go, go, go!
Go, go, Ma'am Janice.
Hello! Meron ba? Mga ma'am, may sound po ba? Hello po. Okay, sige. Magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. So, welcome po sa Quarter 2, Shift 1, Week 1 na po tayo ngayon for Math 7. So, gusto kong batiin ang aking mga anak, ang 7 Bonifacio. Hello mga anak. Sana tuloy-tuloy na manood hanggang sa last part ng ating discussion. And also ang 7 Aguinaldo. At gusto ko ring batiin ang aking dalawang chikiting. Hi Janelle and hi Sijan, and also sa aking hubby. So, for the first part of our discussion, we have it here, measurement. So, when we say measurement, it is used to compare or determine the relation of a quantity, physical or not, with a certain numerical value. So, the most commonly used units of measurement are, so ito yung mga usually ginagamit po natin. We have the Imperial System and the metric system. So, under po ng Imperial System, we have the miles per hour, Fahrenheit, gallon, pounds or ounces. We have also inch, yard, and mile. Under the metric system, we have the kilometer per hour, Celsius, liter, kilogram, gram, centimeter, meter, and kilometer. Okay, next po tayo. So, bali ang magiging focus po ng discussion ko is the metric system of measurement. Okay. Under the metric system of measurement, ayan siya. Each basic type of measurement, we have length, weight, and capacity, has one basic unit of measure, which is ang basic unit of length is the meter, while for weight is gram, and for capacity we have liter. Okay. So, gagawin din po natin ang pagko-convert ng metric system of measurement. And it says here, conversions are quickly made by multiplying or dividing by factors of 10. It is as simple as moving the decimal point to the right for smaller prefixes or to the left for larger prefixes. Okay, so para mas maintindihan, madami tayong examples mamaya. To remember the proper decimal movement, arrange the prefixes from largest to smallest. So, eto po yung ating mga prefixes. Yan. We have the biggest or the largest unit is kilo and the smallest is milli. So, mula sa pinakamalaki pababa tayo, we have kilo, hekto, deka, and we have the basic unit, yung sinabi ko na kanina. We have deci, centi, and milli. Yan. To remember the proper prefixes from largest to smallest, remember. So, para mas madali nyo memorize kung paano yung pagkakaayos-ayos ng mga prefixes po na yan, tandaan po natin ito. King Henry doesn't usually drink chocolate milk. So, mas madali siya, di ba? Mas madaling ma-memorize yan kaysa yung sabihin ng kilo, hekto, deka, ganun. So, tandaan nyo na lang, King Henry doesn't usually drink chocolate milk. So, yung simula, yung king is nagsisimula siya sa capital K, which stands for kilo. Yun din. Henry, nagsisimula siya sa capital H, that stands for hekto. And then so on and so forth po siya. Okay. Now, next slide po. Bakit? Nag-block siya. I think, ayan, mga ma'am. Balik po muna sa inyo for question number 1.
I think ang bilis nila. So sis, nakinig sila sa discuss ng ating learning facilitator. Ang dami daw nag-send ng entry kaya medyo nahirapan sila mag-select ng first 10 senders ng ating mga sagot. Okay, ayan, nire-ready na po ang ating roleta. Ano bang correct answer?
Ayan, so para sa ating question number 1, ang sagot natin ay letter D.
Okay. It's
D, unit DCM.
Sabi nga, King Henry doesn't usually drink chocolate milk. Tumpak! Ayan na ang mga nag-send ng kanilang sagot. Congratulations, kung sino man ang mapalad at maswerte. Go, go, go!
Ayan, ay mabagal.
Tignan natin kung sino ang swerteng.
Ayan, meron na.
Meron na. Sino ba ang nakikita nyo dyan? Malabo yata ang mata ko. Sino po ang nanalo? Sino nakikita nyo dyan?
Natakpan eh.
Oo, natakpan. Tignan natin doon nila nakikita eh. Silang nakakakita. Sino po ang nanalo?
Ayun.
Okay. Marian Padron. Congratulations. Okay, wag na natin patagalin. Ibigay na natin ang question number 2.
Yes, partner.
Okay, please get ready. Number 2. A box can hold 6 kilograms and 230 grams. Slide po. How many grams can it hold? Again, makinig na lang kayo, kahit hindi nyo nakikita, madali lang naman yung question number 2. A box can hold 6 kilograms and 230 grams. How many grams can it hold? A, 600 grams. B, 830 grams. C, 6,000 grams. Or D, 6,230 grams. Anong kailangan i-send, partner?
Ayan, kailangan lang natin i-send ang inyong pangalan, ang inyong section, question number 2. Ayan, and then your answer, and of course, your cell phone number. Inulit ko. So, ilagay lamang ang pangalan, ang inyong grade and section, question number 2, paki-indicate, question number 2, and then your answer and your cell phone number.
Okay, balik natin ulit sa ating facilitator para sa continuation ng ating discussion. Go, go, go!
Okay, so ituloy po natin yung ating discussion. We have the metric converter. So, uunahin po natin yung gagamitin nating converter for length. So, under length, we have kilometer or km, small k then small m. We have hectometer, hm. Decameter, we have dam. And the basic unit which is meter, and that is m. Followed by decimeter, dm. Centimeter, cm, and millimeter, which is mm. Then, for weight, so ganun din lang siya. So, dinadagdag lamang yung ating basic unit doon sa prefixes po natin. So, kilogram, kg, hectogram, which is hg, decagram, DAG, gram, which is G, decigram, DG, centigram, CG, and milligram, which is MG. Then for capacity, we have kiloliter, KL, hectoliter, HL, decaliter, DAL or DAL. We have liter, L, deciliter, DL, centiliter, CL, and milliliter, ML. Take note, sabi ko nga, hindi nababago yung arrangement ng ating mga prefixes. Idinadagdag lang po sa kanila yung ating basic unit. Okay. So, tuloy po natin. Identify me. Identify the unit symbol of the given unit name. Please post your answers at the chat or comment box. So, tingnan po natin kung kaya nyong i-identify yung ating iba't ibang mga units. Okay. Let's try number 1. Comment lang po kayo dun sa ating comment box.
Yes.
Number 1, we have decameter. Ano po ang unit symbol ng decameter? Please comment po.
Okay, tingnan natin kung may nagko-comment.
Kung merong magko-comment.
Yes. Tingnan natin kasi kailangan nyo yan para hindi kayo malito. Okay. Decameter, ano nga ba ang unit symbol? Yes, tignan natin. Okay. Ang mga sagot nila ay para... Ayan, may sumagot si Sanjiro, Ma'am Janice.
Sanjiro, we
Tingnan
have...
natin kung correct siya.
Very good.
Yeah, tingnan natin. Ano ba ang unit symbol ng decameter?
Uy, congrats!
very good.
Ang galing naman ni Sanjiro and Nicole Corpus and Pia.
So, madami ding
Bumanglag.
nakakuha.
Okay, next.
Okay, number 2, we have decigram. Please comment. Ano po ang unit symbol ng
meron na.
decigram?
Decigram.
Yes. Malva Alawigan. Tayo may Malbes. Ito may Malba. Okay. Kirsten Corpus. Ayan, may comment. DM. Sabi ni Mr. Padaong, DAM. Ang dami na. Saya-saya. Okay, ano ba correct answer?
Correct answer po is, ayan po, DG.
DG. Okay, next.
We have number 3, decaliter.
Okay,
Tingnan natin.
decaliter. Okay, DEC daw. DG, Nicole, Ashley. Sige, tignan natin. DAL, sabi ni Mark Norwin, Sarah Litan, DL, Anthony. Yan, nagko-comment kayo. Yan, para matutunan niyo
Zar,
talaga.
DL.
Hello, Zar! Go, go, go! Ay, sorry. Go!
Ano ba, Zar?
Okay, ano ba correct answer, ma'am? Load mo?
Okay, decaliter is DAL.
Yan,
So,
ang
may
galing.
mga nalito.
Oh, ano bang palatandaan dyan,
Sanjiro,
ma'am?
tama.
Nalilito yung iba. No?
Nalilito sila
Oo.
between decaliter
Okay,
and
Desi.
So, correct
deci.
answer pala
Deca
ay-
and deci.
Yes.
Yan.
Okay, next.
We have number 4, decimeter. Ano kaya ang unit
Decimeter. Ano
symbol
kaya yung
ng
unit
decimeter?
Okay, DM, sabi ni Nicole, Vinca Firma, DM, Yuki Fuji, hello.
Pia, DM.
Bartolome, Bumanglag, ayan na, sunod-sunod na.
Kristen, DM.
Oh, dami nilang sagot at iba-iba, in fairness. What is the correct answer, ma'am? Ang dami.
Okay, the correct answer is DM. Ayan,
Okay,
madami din
ang
nakakuha
dami
ng
na
DM,
sagot.
ma'am.
Isang sagot
galing.
nila, DM lang.
Yes, number 5.
Okay, take note po, small letters po dapat
Yes,
ha. May
yes.
mga sumasagot kasi nilalagay po nilang capital letters. Okay, we have number 5, millimeter.
Okay,
What
hirap
is
to,
the
ah.
unit symbol for millimeter?
Okay, hello,
Sabi ni
Ferlin.
Mark Norman,
Ang dami.
MM.
Bilis.
Oh, bilis talaga.
Peralita, MM.
Ayan,
Sandy,
salamat
MM.
talagang nanonood sila.
Yeah.
Mabilis.
Win Cup Firma,
Sa sobrang bilis, wala kaming mabasa. Okay, ano ba ang correct answer,
Ang bilis
ma'am?
umakyat ng message.
Okay, the correct answer is MM.
Okay, thank you, dear students. Joy lang ng joy at go lang ng go.
Sige, so ituloy po natin how to use the metric converter. At least po, alam nyo nang tumingin kung ano yung mga unit symbols po natin. Yan. First, determine your starting point. Saan ka dapat magsisimula? Siyempre, hindi ka makakarating kung wala kang pinanggalingan eh. That's the starting point, di ba? Okay, second, count the jumps to your ending point. So, bibilangin mo kung makakailang lundag ka papunta sa iyong ending point. Siyempre, kung may starting point, may ending point. Yan, di ba? Third, move the decimal, the same numbers of jumps in the same direction. So, kumbaga, kung nakailang lundag ka, kung pakanan o pakaliwa yun, yun din ang movement ng ating decimal point. Okay, let's have example 1. 4 kilometers equals blank meters. So, ang una dyan, you need to determine the starting point, which is, nasa unit ka ng kilometers, so yun ang starting point mo. At saan ka ba papatungo, di ba? May ending point ka, which is meter. So, from kilometer, papunta ka sa unit na meter, and that's the ending point. So, tingnan natin. From the starting point na kilometer, so magja-jump ka papuntang HM, dump, then papuntang meter. So nakailang lundag po ba tayo? So bibilangin natin, 3. And then papuntang anong direction ka ba? It is going to the right. So kakanan ka. So tingnan natin. Therefore, it says here, we move the decimal point 3 places to the right. So, titingnan po natin, the given is 4 kilometers. So, kung mag-move ka pa kanan, 3 beses, magdadagdag tayo ngayon ng 3 zeros. Kasi blanco po yung spaces na yun pag nag-move ka ng decimal point. So, the answer is 4,000 meters. So, ganun lang po siya. Okay. Next, example 2. Yeah. Ayan, for our example 2, we have 250,000 decigram to be converted to kilogram. So, ang starting point natin ay sa decigram. Papunta tayo ngayon ng ending point, which is the kilogram. So, tingnan natin sa ating metric converter, from decigram, papunta tayo ngayon ng kilogram. So, tingnan natin kung ilang jumps ang magagawa natin. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, 4 po na jumps, pero take note, saang direction po tayo? To the left. We have to move the decimal point 4 places to the left. So, the given is 250,000 decigram. So, mag-move tayo ng decimal point magmula doon sa last na zero natin sa my right side. Kasi nandoon yung decimal point niya. I-move natin ang decimal point. Okay, so the answer would be 25 kilograms. So, matatanggal na po yung mga zeros doon kasi magiging insignificant digits na po siya. Okay. So, tingnan natin kung naintindihan nyo yung discussion. Your turn. So, eto naman. I think ibibigay nila, ma'am, ang sagot sa comment box.
Nila. Okay.
Yan, i-comment nyo po ang inyong sagot sa comment box. So, the question is, Convert 10.25 kilometers to meters. Okay, go, go, go.
Ayan, tingnan natin kung may makakakuha.
Huli tayo.
Manghuli tayo ngayon.
Huli na.
Hindi lahat nahuhuli negatibo Okay. Tingnan natin kung makaka-convert sila out of the examples given by our facilitator. Okay. Medyo naghang yata itong ano ko. Okay, tingnan natin. Ayan. Sanjiro na naman. Sige, hintayin pa natin yung iba. Sanjiro, Sarah Litan, Merlinda Dan. Mia mo. Ay, sorry.
Pa si Mami.
Wala kong tumawag. Ayan.
Si
Okay,
si Peter Emmanuel. May
Syra, Aubrey
ng
Agunoy
sagot.
Lacar, Luke Bencor, Ray Christian, Erica May Rigon, Krisha May Sagisha, Kirsten Corpus, Jaika May. Okay, ayan, nagkigit na kasaya.
Hello, Syra. Shout out ko lang po si Syra.
Ang dami nang sumagot. Ma'am, tingnan natin kung may nakatama o may tama ba sila.
Tingnan natin, ma'am. Mukhang may tama na yata silang
Lahat.
lahat.
Talaga meron din.
Tinamaan.
Okay.
Ay, yun na. Sige, so ano nga bang sagot? Nawala. Okay, so the correct answer is, ayan, mag-move tayo ng 3 steps papuntang right. We have 10,250 meters.
Hey, congratulations! Okay, ang daming nakakuha ng correct answer. Of course, kanina pa sumisignal ang ating mga kasama sa labas at meron na daw, marami na daw nag-send. And our question number 2 is ready. Ano ba ang correct answer natin dito?
Okay, sa ating question number 2, ang tamang sagot natin ay letter D.
Again, D.
10,230
Okay.
grams.
Abangan natin kung sino-sino kayang mga nag-send. Ayan na ang ating ruleta. Parating na, papunta na. Ayan na.
Ayan na.
Okay.
Ayan. So, meron tayong 2, 4, 6,
Congratulations
8,
sa inyo in advance.
10 ang i-raffle natin.
Sino kaya ang mapalad na mananalo?
Uy, medyo mabilis siya ngayon,
yan.
partner.
In fairness, nakasabay. Okay.
Ayan, Kristen Corpus.
Okay, congratulations.
Congratulations.
Kirsten Corpus. Huwag kalimutang ipakita ang screenshot at isend ang inyong mga sagot at na kayo ang nanalo sa inyong subject teacher. Of course. Okay, ibigay na natin ang question number 3.
Ayan.
Ayan.
So,
Go, go,
para
go.
sa ating question number 3.
Ayan.
Ito naman. You have to convert 84 inches into how many feet?
Yes.
So, convert 84 inches to feet.
Walang choices
Yan,
ito.
walang choices. Yan, mga anak,
Yes.
ita-type ninyo kung ano ang inyong
Yes,
sagot.
please don't forget to comment name, section, question number 3, and your answer. Take note, wala tayong letter na choice, kasi madali lang yan. Para makita ko kung nakinig kayo sa ating learning facilitator, yan ang i-discuss niya. So, name, section, question 3, answer, and cellphone number. Go, go, go! Of
Ayan,
course,
go,
wag
go
na
na.
nating patagalin. Ito na po ang napakataas na birthday girl energy. Pure ang energy.
Happy birthday,
Yes,
Ma'am
happy
Marby.
birthday! Go, go, go! Ito na po ang kanyang part ng discussion.
Ayan. Hello sa inyong lahat. Lalo na sa ating mga grade 7 learners na nanonood ngayon. Shout out sa aking mga 7 Newton, 7 Galileo, and 7 Archimedes. At syempre, hindi pwedeng makalimutan ang aking 3 malulusog na mga anak. Syempre, Jandy, Dion, and Jundi. Ayan. So, hello sa inyong lahat. Okay, so, for the continuation of our discussion, so, we will now discuss the English system of measurement. Yan. Actually, dapat ito yung mas nauna dahil mas naunang na-develop ang English system of measurement kesa sa metric system. So, dito nagsimula ang measurement sa English system. So, it says there, the U.S. English system of measurement grew out of the manner in which people secured measurements using body parts and familiar objects. So, dun sa history natin ng measurements, ang unang ginamit na pang-measure ay mga body parts. At si King Henry, kaya siya yung nandun sa ating mnemonic kanina na King Henry doesn't usually drink chocolate milk dahil siya ang naka-discover ng ating measurements using the body parts. At ang unang unit of measurement nung panahon na yon ay yung yard. At yung yard na yan, ang measurement niyan is from the tip of his nose up to the middle finger of an outstretched arm. So, ibig sabihin nun, mula sa ilong, at tapos i-stretch mo yung kamay mo, parang nakadipa ka ng half, hanggang sa middle finger. So, yun ang measurement ng ating yard. At kung mapapansin nyo mga anak, pag bumibili kayo ng mga tela, o ng mga plastic cover, mapapansin nyo na yung ibang mga tindera para hindi na mag-measure gamit ang yardstick, na isa yon sa nakita kong hula nila kanina na laman. Laman daw ng ating mystery box ay yardstick. Ayan, magkakasya nga siguro siya dyan na tinitiklop, no? Yan. So, instead na gumamit ng yardstick, ang ginagamit ng ibang mga tindera natin kapag bumibili ka ng mga tela at plastic cover ay yung kanilang body part na mula dun sa from the tip of their nose up to the middle finger. At another example is yung palm. Okay? Ang palm natin, ang measurement nun, so wala pa kasi yung mga meter, centimeter, wala pang mga ganun nun. So body parts. So another example aside from the yard ay yung palm kung saan yun yung measure ng width ng ating palm. Dito lang yan. So that is palm. And kung isasali mo yung iyong thumb, that is ang tawag naman na doon ay hand. Kaya nga hand yan. So hand, yung measure niyan is yung palm kasama yung ating thumb. So yan yung mga examples ng ating measurements from long time ago using the body parts. And then, dahil hindi pare-parehas ang measure ng mga body parts ng mga tao noon, so nagkaroon na ng standard. So a standard was eventually set to ensure that all measurements represented the same amount for everyone. Kasi nung una, sabi nga yung yard ay ang gamit ay yung body part ni King Henry. So, alam naman magme-measure ka ng yard, pupunta ka pa kay King Henry para lang, kasi yun yung standard nila noon. Ayan, okay. So, we have here some customary units of measurements using the English system. So, for length, 1 foot is equal to 12 inches. Ang mga to kasi mga anak ang gagamitin natin mamaya in converting units of measurement. So, 1 yard. So, nakikita nyo dyan yung ating units na, ay yung, ano tawag doon? YD lang? YDFT. Ayan, 1 yard is equal to 3 feet. 1 mile is 5,280 feet. 1 mile is, kapag 2 yards naman is 1,760 yards. And for the weight, eto yung mga common lang mga anak ha. Marami pang iba, pero eto lang yung mga common na ginagamit na units natin. We have 1 pound is 16 ounces or OZ. 1 ton or T is equal to 2,000 pounds or LB. And for capacity, yan marami yung capacity natin. 1 tablespoon is 3 teaspoons. 1 cup, 16 tablespoons. 1 cup is 8 fluid ounces. 1 pint is 2 cups, 1 quart, 2 pints, and 1 gallon is equivalent to 4 quarts. So, nandyan naman yan sa mga kopya nyo sa inyong learning activity sheet. So, kapag magko-compute kayo or magko-convert kayo, pwede kayong mag-refer dyan sa inyong last. Okay, now, so let's convert English system of measurement. Okay, let's have example number 1. Unahin natin ang pag-convert sa length. Okay, so we have here, first example, convert 84 inches to feet. Yung mga special science curriculum dyan ng mga students, eto na nga anak yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, nung diniscuss ko sa inyo tong measurement, sabi ko nga, madidiscuss rin sa ating regular math. Kaya sa inyo, naka-advance na kayo dyan. So sana hanggang ngayon ay natatandaan nyo pa rin yung diniscuss ko sa inyo last quarter. Okay, so 84 inches, how many feet? So we're going to use the customary unit 1 foot equals 12 inches. Ayan, nawala yung guhit dun sa ano. Bali, ang gagawin natin in converting English system units, kailangan nyo yung mga yan, conversion factors natin, na kung saan, since equivalent sila, pag ginawa nyo siyang fraction, dahil parehas sila ng sukat, that is just equal to 1. So, a conversion ratio or unit factor is a ratio equal to 1 that carries the names of the units to be used in the conversion. So, hindi nyo makikita dyan na parehong 1 yan, 1/1, hindi ganon. Pero ibig sabihin lang yan, dahil parehas ng sukat ang 1 foot at 12 inches, for example, kapag dinivide mo silang dalawa, equal lang yan sa 1. Pero dapat gagamitin natin ay yung mga units na nakalagay dyan para makapag-convert tayo from one unit to another. Now, it can be used for conversions within the English and metric system. So, pwede rin gamitin yung ating conversion ratio sa English and metric. So, let's move on to our example, 84 inches. Okay, so magmumultiply tayo, ipang-multiply natin yung ating conversion factor na 1 foot over 12 inches. Actually, mga anak, pwede nyo ring pagbaligtarin yan. Wag lang pagpapalitin yung number at yung unit na magkasama. Hindi nyo pwedeng ilagay na 1 inch over 12 feet. Okay, pero pwedeng pagpalitin yung dalawa. Depende sa kung anong unit ang given. Now, bakit natin nilagay sa baba ang 12 inches? Dahil ang given ay inches. Now, para mag-cancel yung ating unit na inches, kailangan yung isa ay nasa numerator at yung isa ay nasa denominator. Okay? So, magka-cancel yon. Now, we're going to proceed to multiplication of fraction. So, 84 times 1 is 84. And then, yung denominator ng whole number natin is 1. So, basta may whole number tayo, gaya ng na-discuss natin last time, kapag whole number, ang denominator lang nun ay 1. And 1 times 12 is 12. So, yan, makikita nyo dyan mga anak, na-cancel na yung inches. Ang natirang unit ay yung hinahanap nating unit, which is feet. So, 84 divided by 12 is equal to 7 feet. So, ibig sabihin, 84 inches is equal to 7 feet. At yan yata. Okay. Okay. Napansin ko lang. Yan yata yung nabilugan. Okay. So, yun na yung nabilugan. Naalala ko nga, hindi pa nga pala. Okay, let's move on to example number 2. Sorry, nadulas. Muntik na. Okay. Okay, next example. Yan yata yung parang kilala ko yan, sabi ko. Okay, so next, let's have converting in weight. Okay, tons naman to pounds. Grabe makatawa to. Gasta. Dali, pinagpawisan ako doon. Muntik ako mahuli. Okay, convert 5.3 tons to pounds. Okay, so kung babalikan natin kanina yung ating customary units for weight, 1 ton is equal to 2,000 pounds. So, ang fraction na gagamitin natin, dahil ton ang given, ibig sabihin, ang gagamitin natin na fraction, ton naman sa baba, para mag-cancel yung ating ton. Okay? Since ton ang given, yung ating customary units, dapat yung ton ang nasa baba. So, 2,000 pounds over 1 ton. Okay. So, let's proceed to conversion. So, una, isulat mo na yung given. 5.3 tons times yung ating conversion factor, 2,000 pounds over 1 ton. So, yung ton natin nasa taas, tapos ton sa baba, magka-cancel na yon. Now, 5.3 ton times 2,000 pounds, doon pala siya nag-cancel sa next step, over 1 ton. Okay, yan. Diyan na siya nag-cancel. Nasanay kasi ako na nagka-cancel muna ako ng units para hindi ko na siya isulat sa susunod. Okay. So, na-cancel na yung ating ton. Ang natira na lang ay 5.3 times 2,000 and that is equal to 10,600. At yung natirang unit ay pound. So, ibig sabihin, yan na yung hinahanap natin. So, 5.3 tons is equal to 10,600 pounds. So, para sa ating mga SSC, review nyo na lang to. Sana natandaan pa rin yan. Sa ating mga grade 7, SPJ, SPA, and BEP, sana nasusundan kung paano yung steps natin in converting English system of measurements. And let's have the last example for, ano ba to? Capacity. Yan. So, we're going to convert 2 gallons into cups. So, kanina, ayan, nakita nyo, ang dami nating gagamitin ngayon na conversion factors kasi wala tayong conversion factor or customary unit na gallon to cup agad. Pero, alam natin na ang 1 gallon is equal to 4 quarts. Okay? And then, ang 1 quart, so ibig sabihin, pag na-convert na natin yung gallon to quart, yung quart gawin naman nating pint kasi yun yung meron tayo. 1 quart is equal to 2 pints. And then, 1 pint is equal to 2 cups. Okay? So, 3 ang gagamitin natin. Ngayon, since gallon ang given, dapat yung gallon nasa baba. So, 4 quarts over 1 gallon. Ngayon, matatanggal na yung gallon natin. Ang matitira sa taas natin is quart. Ibig sabihin, sa 1 quart equals 2 pints, yung quart dapat ang nasa baba. Para matanggal naman yung quart doon. And then, yung ating 1 pint equals 2 cups, dapat matanggal yung pint, kaya yung pint nasa baba. Okay, so let's write the given measurement, 2 gallon. Yan. So, first step, 2 gallon. Times, yung mga sinulat natin doon kanina, yung mga nandun sa ating box kanina na mga fractions, unahin natin yung 4 quart over 1 gallon. And then, yung times 2 pint over 1 quart, times 2 cups over 1 pint. Ibig sabihin, may iwan na lang dyan ay yung cup. So, makikita nyo ngayon, ayan, pasensya na, yung 4 ang na-cancel. Dapat yung quart. Okay? So, una nating makakancel dyan, gallon, gallon. And then, quart, quart. Basta dapat taas, baba. And then, pint, pint. So, ang matitira na lang dyan ay yung cup. Mas maganda kung dito pa lang sa mga sinulat natin na conversion factors, mag-cancel na kayo para ang matitira na lang yan. I-multiply nyo na lang yung mga numbers. We have 2 times 4 times 2 times 2. And then may naiwan tayong isang unit which is cup. And then over, lahat naman yan nasa denominator natin ay 1. 1 times 1 times 1. And then simplify. 2 times 4 is 8. Times 2 is 16. Times 2 is 32. And then ang unit natin is cups. Over 1 lang yun, so pwede nang hindi ilagay yung over 1. So therefore, 2 gallons is equal to 32 cups. Yan. So sana nasundan mga anak, no? Okay. Kasi actually, ang conversion of measurements ay gagamitin nyo rin sa iba pang subjects. Pwede nyong magamit yan sa inyong TLE. Lalo sa mga cookery, sa may carpentry ba tayo? Okay. Ganun din sa science ninyo. Magagamit ninyo yan sa science. Kasi magka-cancel kayo doon ng mga mole-mole. Ganyan. So, dapat ang conversion of units, huwag kakalimutan. Okay? Okay, let's move on to converting measurements from kanina metric system lang or within metric lang tayo. Yung sumunod natin ay within English system lang. Pagsasamahin natin ngayon. So, this time from metric system to English system. At meron pa dapat yan vice versa. Ibig sabihin, dito, ang given ay metric, gagawin nating English na unit. Meron din namang English, gagawin nating metric. Pero dito sa ating discussion ngayon, isa lang ang ibibigay. At least malaman nyo lang kung paano ang gagawin kapag magko-convert ka from one system of measurement to another system. Okay, eto yung mga common conversion factors natin. Common lang ha. So marami pang iba dyan. Okay, at yan ay makikita nyo rin sa inyong last. So doon na lang kayo tumingin. Okay, so let's have example or yung ating example. Hindi na example 1 kasi isa lang to. So convert 3,200 meters into inches. Yan. So meter to inches. Ano ba ang meron tayo dun sa kaninang conversion factors natin? Meter to inches, meron bang ganun? Wala. Ang meron lang ay inch to centimeter. Okay? Wala tayong inch to meter or meter to inches. So, ang pwede nating gamitin, 1 inch equals 2.50 or 54 centimeter. Anong gagawin nating susunod kapag na-convert na natin siya to centimeters? Yung centimeter naman, i-convert natin to meter. So, pwede nating gamitin yung 1 meter equals 100 centimeter or kung mas convenient kayo sa paggamit ng ating metric converter na tatalon-talon, pwede nyo rin gamitin yon once na na-convert nyo na siya to centimeter. Okay. So, let's write the given measurement, 3,200 meters. Times, ang given ay meter. Hindi pa natin siya makakancel pala dyan dahil centimeter yung nakalagay. Dapat ay mauna sana yung meter to centimeter. So, pwede rin ganun. Okay lang naman kasi commutative naman ang ating multiplication. So, pwedeng magbaliktad. Okay, so ang inuna ditong nilagay is 1 inch over 2.54 centimeters. So, wala pa kayong pwedeng i-cancel dyan. Times 100 centimeters over 1 meter. Kung papansinin niyo mga anak, yung meter, kahit magkalayo yan, pwedeng i-cancel yan. Kasi multiplication naman yan. Or, pwede ring isulat nyo siyang ganyan muna, lahat ng numerators pagsamasamahin. So, 3,200 meters times 1 inch times 100 centimeters. Lahat ng nasa taas, yan muna yung ilalagay. Over, ang denominator natin is 2.54 centimeters times 1 meter. Yan yung nasa denominator. Now, tsaka kayo mag-cancel na ng units. Anong naiwan dyan? Yung meter sa 3,200 tsaka 1 meter sa baba. And then yung centimeter sa baba at centimeter sa taas makakancel. Ano na ang naiwan? Inch na lang. So, yan yung hinahanap natin. Then, let's multiply the numbers. 3,200 times 1 times 100 over, yung nasa baba natin is 2.54. So, nandyan natitira na lang na unit ay yung inches. Okay, so let's multiply. And for the denominator, that is 320,000 inches over 2.54. Or i-divide nyo na yon. 320,000 divided by 2.54 is equal to 125,984.25 inches. So, yan yung equivalent ng 3,200 meters. Dahil ang 3,200 meters, sobrang haba nun. Kaya ganun kataas, 125,000. Okay, so back to you, our host.
Okay, thank you so much po sa ating learning facilitators. Again, lahat po ng inyong nakita ay makikita sa inyong learning activity sheets. Yan na yan mismo, pati yung sequence niya, siya yung ginamit niya para may basis kayo. Kaya ganun na, hindi siya nagka-cancel. Okay. So, pwede na tayo mag-reveal ng laman ng kahon, partner.
Okay.
Okay.
Ayan.
Okay, so
dahil
ang
mga
mapalad.
nakahula
Yes.
na.
Bago natin i-reveal ang correct answer sa question number 3, mag-reveal na tayo. Ano nga ba ang laman ng ating kahon? Okay, eto na po. Tignan na. May nakasagot na, kaya i-reveal na natin. Okay, ano kaya ito? Okay, fresh na fresh po. Oh, diba?
Bagong-bago.
Shout out sa mga taga Maraming salamat po sa bago naming ID. Mainit-init at malagkit-lagkit pa kabibigay. Maraming salamat po. So may mga nag-comment ng ID. Ayan, tingnan natin sa ating roleta kung sino-sino ang mapapalad na nag-send ng correct answers. Sino nga ba sila? Eto na. Diyan. Nasa na ba? Ayan na.
Lalabas na. Bigla lalabas dyan.
After po ng ating question sa hula mo, ay
Ayan.
isusunod.
So, meron tayong 2, 4, 6, 8.
Okay, ang dami nila. In fairness ha. Congratulations sa mga nagjo-join at patuloy na nanonood ngayon. Okay, congratulations!
Grisha May
Sagusyo!
Yan,
7 City! Shoutout ka na! Congratulations!
Congratulations din, Mother
Message
Earth.
mo ako mamaya para sa iyong pranyo.
Screenshot mo yan, anak.
Screenshot mo yan, anak. Congratulations! And again, so bago tayo mag-proceed sa mananalo sa question number 3, tawagin natin muli ang ating learning facilitators para sa application and summary of our lesson today. Go, go, go!
Okay. So for the application of measurements in real life, syempre, marami tayong mga nakikita dyan na mga sinusukat, pero hindi natin masukat ay yung pagmamahal niya sa'yo. Dahil lang sinasabi niya, infinite daw yun. Ayan. Infinite, hindi mo masusukat yun. Okay. So, measurements play an important role in our daily life. Okay. Yan. So, marami tayong na-encounter na mga measurements sa ating daily life. They are useful to do basic tasks such as taking temperature, kung nakinig kayo kanina sa ating RBI, measuring ingredients for baking or cooking, estimating time for an activity, so yan yung mga sinusukat natin, allocating money for next month's expenditures, measuring height and weight na ginawa ninyo sa inyong MAPE, 'di ba? Dahil kinuha nyo ang inyong BMI. And a lot more, of course. Pumunta kayo sa palengke, marami doon, 'di ba? Ayan. So ito ay ilan lang sa mga examples natin kung saan ma-apply ang measurements in real life. And for the summary, so we discussed about measurements, the two systems of measurements. We have the metric system and the English system of measurements. And converting metric system of measurement, kailangan tandaan ng ating King Henry doesn't usually drink chocolate milk. And for the English system of measurements, kailangan mo talagang i-memorize ang mga conversion factors natin. Yan. Okay. So, back to you.
Okay. Maraming salamat po sa inyong napakalinaw na explanation. I hope marami tayong natutunan ngayon sa ating lesson. And of course, katulad ng nababasa o mababasa nyo sa ating screen, sabi nga dyan, not everything that counts can be counted, and not everything that can be counted counts. Sino bang mapalad na mananalo? Sa question number 3, ano bang correct answer muna?
Okay, sa ating question number 3, ang sagot natin ay 7 feet.
Oo,
so,
kung napansin nyo.
84 inches is equal to 7 feet. Naipaliwanag na yung
Parang,
kanina.
para yung answer nun ay na-explain na kanina, kaya ganun. Para, ito nga to. So, nakinig ako, alam ko ng correct answer. Okay, ito na pong roleta. Congratulations po sa lahat ng nagsend ng kanilang mga entries. At sa mga hindi pa pala rin, marami pa tayong area.
Yes.
Okay, congratulations!
Wow! Sagusyo ulit. Nakadalawa na siya.
Dalawa!
Ayan.
Talagang pag sinwerte ka nga naman, ano? Talaga kaya sali kayo ng sali dapat. Again, Krisha May Sagusyo of 7 City, congratulations! Okay. Ayan. Again, gusto po namin pasalamatan ang lahat ng naging bahagi ng aming team ngayong hapon. At sa wakas, umabot kami sa cut-off. Thank you po sa ating facilitators, Teacher Janice Bills A. Simon, Teacher Mardy C. De La Cruz, our presentation designer, yours truly, Ma'am Rowella S. Santos, and Teacher Judith S. Gamilo. To our presenter, singsabay ng ulan ang ating presenter.
Lakas.
Ma'am Lorny Binitura. Hello po, ma'am. And our electronic raffle organizer, Teacher Mylene J. Relatin and Teacher Judith S. Gamilo.
Ayan, syempre, salamat din sa ating technical specialist, Teacher Joshua Wilson M. Guillermo. Maraming salamat po sa ating Quality Assurance Officer, ang aming Mami, Merlinda D. Dante. Maraming salamat din po sa ating Assistant Principal, Ma'am Ruby R. Guillermo. And syempre, sa ating Chief Education Supervisor, ang ating Officer in Charge, Dr. Rodrigo V. Pascua. Thank you so much po sa inyong lahat.
Maraming salamat po. Thank you for staying with us. See you again next time on
Math Alive sa Facebook Live.
Wala na sila.
Bye!
Bye!
Simulan tayo ng blessing.
Woo! Thank you!
Asahan inyong tututukan dito sa 106.3 DWDR-FM. Basta Dance Radio, learning is amazing! Ito ang 106.3 Dance Radio. Dance Radio.
Prepare yourself.
Ang silid-aralan sa radyo, hatid namin ay makabagong paraan ng pagtuturo at kaalaman. Mapaumaga, tanghali o hapon man yan. Ang istasyong magbibigay impormasyon kahit saan man.
For something big. Alright, here we go.
106.3 Dance Radio. Doña Aurora National High School, Santa Rita, Aurora, Isabela.
This
106.3 DWDR-FM.